tiger do? Let me see. Show me. What does a tiger do?
No.
What does a kitty do? What about a doggy?
Taryn, what's a doggy sound like?
What does a chicken sound like? What's a chicken?
What's a bird sound like? What's a monkey sound like? How about a sheep? Now, what's a tiger sound like? Wow.
What does an alligator sound like? Do you know?
How about
A dinosaur.
what's a dinosaur sound like? Here's your ball. Here's your ball. Shoot. Go shoot it. Oh, and it's good. Shoot. And it's good.
Taryn,
Say-
what's a tiger do? Can you show me again? What does a tiger do? No, show me. Stop. Hello. What's a tiger do?
Taryn, what's a dinosaur do?
What about a monkey?
What's a monkey sound like?